Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can connect Etsy to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here you're gonna find content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here in their sales channels, you're gonna find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, here you're gonna find apps. So right now, in order to connect Etsy to Shopify, first of all, go to apps. And then once you're here, you're gonna find all of your installed apps in your Shopify store. And here at the bottom, you're gonna find all the recommended apps and app and sales channel settings. Go ahead and click on all recommended apps, and then you're gonna be here. In the bottom, you're gonna find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're gonna be redirected to the Shopify App Store right here. So once here, just go to the top. You're gonna find the search bar, give it a click, and then search for Etsy. Once you do that, hit enter, and then you're gonna find all of these results for your search. These applications will help you to integrate Etsy on Shopify. So for example, I'm going to choose this application, Etsy integration. Give it a click, and then you're gonna be here in the applications page. So once you're here, go ahead and click on install to add the application to your Shopify dashboard. Click on install again right here, and then just wait for it. And as you can see, guys, now it's added to my dashboard. You can pin it to your navigation if you want. So basically, guys, this application will make it a lot easier to integrate Etsy with your Shopify store. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.